If you're considering buying RockWallet, there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. Whether you're comparing it to other wallet solutions or just exploring your options, this video will give you a complete overview of what to expect. Stick with me until the end, and I'll reveal the best offer available for RockWallet that you won't want to miss. Let's dive right into it. The first thing to keep in mind is that RockWallet offers a seamless user experience, but that doesn't mean it's flawless. Compared to other wallets like TrustWallet or MetaMask, RockWallet is definitely more user-friendly, especially for beginners. The interface is clean, intuitive, and there's a minimal learning curve. I've used it, and I can say that getting started is smooth, but there are a few trade-offs, which I'll get into. Next thing, let's talk about its security features. While RockWallet uses encryption and biometric login features, the security protocols aren't as robust as some of the more established names in the industry. It's definitely safe, but when comparing it to top competitors like Ledger or Trezor hardware wallets, it might not offer the same peace of mind for those holding larger amounts of crypto. Keep that in mind if you're a high-stakes investor. The third thing you should know is that RockWallet supports a wide variety of coins, but it's not as comprehensive as some of the biggest wallets out there. It supports the major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others, but if you're looking for niche or lesser-known altcoins, you may find that it's missing a few. If your portfolio is heavily invested in popular coins, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, but it's something to consider. Now, the fourth thing is fees. While RockWallet boasts low transaction fees, you'll want to know that they can add up depending on how frequently you use the platform. If you're just doing occasional transfers, it won't feel like much. But if you're trading or making frequent moves, those fees can add up quickly, a detail you won't find as easily on more decentralized platforms where fees are more variable. The fifth thing to know is about customer support. In my experience, RockWallet's customer service is decent, but it's not as responsive as some top-tier competitors. When issues arise, you can get help, but it might take a bit longer than what you'd expect with industry giants like Coinbase or Binance, which are known for their customer support teams. So if you're someone who values quick solutions, be prepared for a little wait time. The sixth thing is the integration with decentralized finance, DeFi. RockWallet isn't the strongest player in this arena. If you're heavily into DeFi protocols and staking, you may find the wallet a bit limiting. Other competitors like MetaMask or TrustWallet have deeper DeFi integrations, so if that's a priority for you, you might want to look elsewhere. The seventh and final thing to know is about its mobile app. The mobile version of RockWallet is clean and functional, but not quite as feature-rich as some of the competitors. For example, if you're using apps like TrustWallet or the Coinbase wallet, you'll notice more advanced options and customizations. RockWallet's app is still solid for the basics, but if you're looking for advanced features or extra controls, you may find it somewhat lacking. So, what's the bottom line? RockWallet is an excellent option for beginners or those who need an easy-to-use wallet for the major coins, but it's not without its limitations, especially when compared to industry giants in terms of security, DeFi integration, and support. If you're serious about crypto and looking for more advanced features, it might not be the best fit. However, if simplicity and ease of use are what you're after, RockWallet can be a great choice. If you want to give RockWallet a try for yourself, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on this great offer.